today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and use AliExpress with TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the connection so you can start sourcing products smoothly. First, open TikTok Shop. If you're using the Seller Center, sign in and make sure you're in the correct store. The interface can vary slightly by region, but the core layout is similar. Once you're in, look for the Growth section. This is where TikTok Shop groups tools that help you expand your catalog, improve operations, and find integrations. Click Growth to open it. Inside Growth, select App. Think of this as the app marketplace for TikTok Shop, where you'll find integrations that connect your store with external platforms. In the App Center, search for AliExpress or browse the categories until you see options related to AliExpress sourcing. You'll notice a range of platforms that use AliExpress to bring products into your TikTok Shop. Choose one of these apps that fits your needs. Before you pick, take a moment to read the app's description, check supported regions, skim recent reviews, and note any pricing or usage limits so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, click Install. Follow the prompts on your screen to successfully connect it. During this process, you may be asked to grant the app permission to access parts of your TikTok Shop, such as products, orders, and inventory. Review those permissions carefully, then approve. You might also see steps to link your AliExpress account and confirm the store you want to connect. If the app asks for settings like currency, shipping preferences, or default handling times, fill them out accurately so your product data stays consistent. Stay on each screen until you see a confirmation that the installation and connection are complete. Once that's done, feel free to explore the app. Start with the main dashboard to understand what data it shows and how it syncs. Look for sections like Products, Orders, and Settings to see where you'll manage imports, pricing rules, and fulfillment options. Many apps include tools to set profit margins, sync stock levels, and map product variants. Familiarize yourself with these so your catalog stays accurate. It's also helpful to review any guidance the app provides on shipping times, supplier ratings, and processing windows. Those details can impact customer satisfaction and your shop performance. That's it. You opened TikTok Shop, went to Growth, selected App, found an AliExpress compatible platform, installed it, followed the prompts, and explored the features. You're now ready to use AliExpress with your TikTok Shop confidently.